So we're checked in, but not officially.
Yeah, not really.
We're on standby.
Right, so basically our flight has been delayed by over an hour. First time on Sri Lankan Airlines and pretty impressive, to be honest. Got like movies, entertainment. Actually, the best thing about this place, right, I'll show you.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben.
Malaysia!
Welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers and this is a Malaysia series. It is early hours in the morning, the worst time for me, but we are travelling today. So first of all, we just need to drop off our key and get a taxi to the airport. We're already running late. So we've dropped our card off at the post box area. It's what you always do, the all self-service, you never see anyone. But as you can see, we've got a lot more luggage. We went and bought another bag. So we've got so much more stuff to take home.
I just got to put a quick note here. Obviously a travel day. Reanne is major stressed and like off camera, she's been like snapping at me and stuff.
I haven't been that bad. I'm a bit military because I don't like early mornings as it is and I get nervous about missing our flight. Like these are the expensive flights and we just can't miss it. So move.
Of course.
And I've told him about 3 times to order a taxi and he still hasn't. Like things like that don't help.
I'm so chilled out that I know.
Order the taxi! He's too chilled out, that's the problem. He don't mind if we miss our flight and get to stay. I want to go home for Christmas. Thankfully, we got a taxi straight away. It's literally around the corner, 30 RM. We're only 10 minutes from the airport. I'll be glad when we're there and checked in. And then I'll be like, all right, we're fine.
Yeah, Ben, yeah.
Oh, you get first then.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
What? Take video record?
Yeah. Okay, see. We made it to the airport. It is proper busy though. The queue to drive in to drop people off was humongous. But let's go straight to our gate. Should be open. We should be able to drop our bags off. We are actually dropping our bags in for once because we've got free luggage with our flight.
Quite familiar with this airport, aren't we? So.
Yeah, we've flown out of it a few times.
Yeah.
We're actually flying with Sri Lankan Airlines. We've never flown with them before. We've got a flight to Colombo. We've got about a 3-hour stop there. And then we're flying all the way to London, England. If you wanted to get the train here, the KLIA goes directly into the airport. We did stay in our area to be able to get to that train, but we were still like a 35-minute walk. I think that's our queue.
Is it?
Assume so. So we're checked in, but not officially.
Yeah, not really.
We're on standby. Never been on standby. So the flight we're going on, this Connect flight, but this first flight is fully booked. And so if everyone gets on there, we're not getting on there, but we can get a direct flight to London, which
Yeah.
we're hoping happens.
I mean, this is like, I've never been in this situation before. So basically, at the moment,
There's 15 minutes until the counter closes. She said after that, because they've kept hold of our tickets and our bags are just put on the side for now. So she said come back in 15 minutes and see if you can
so
get on the
basically
flight.
they're waiting to see if someone doesn't turn up.
Yeah. In other words, we haven't got a seat on the plane.
No, that means if someone doesn't turn up, we won't even be together.
No, because we've got seats. That's the thing I don't understand. We've got tickets. That's what I don't understand.
They've double booked our tickets.
Yeah, I assume so.
Yeah.
I don't know how it works, but we'll find out in 15 minutes. I actually hope that we can't get on this flight and we get a better one.
I'd love to go direct.
Oh, it'd just be easier. You sat down, you're comfy for the duration of the flight.
And because we're obviously OTWD, they probably put us in first class.
Oh,
It's
imagine
about
that.
time as well.
They might be like, oh, we've only got first class left. I'll be like, that's fine. So we'll get back to you in 15 minutes. False alarm, we're on our flight. Nothing's changed. We're not changing flights and someone must have not turned up. They're literally boarding the plane now, so they'll like get to there now because we've got to go through liquids and everything, not that we have anything. We've still got quite a bit to go through and the plane leaves in an hour. Oh gosh, and there's a massive queue. How are we I don't even know if we're going to make this bloody flight. This is such a rush. We've got through security and everything, but now we have to get a bus to our gate. Like the time is like getting close, isn't it?
And we're sitting in like a one-person seat, the two of us.
Squeezed together. Oh, but there is a lot of people still getting on at least. It just makes me nervous how tight and quick. We ain't even had a chance to like sit down and stop. We ain't had a chance to go to the toilet or nothing. Like, oh, such a rush. And we have to admit, Sri Lankan Airlines is really nice because this is only like a short haul. We thought they would be very basic, but it isn't. We've got TVs, it's quite spacious, we've got chargers, and we're pretty certain we get food as well, and we've been given pillows and blankets as well.
I'm super impressed.
I am really impressed, and the service is really good. They're really nice staff, very helpful.
Member of staff at the front said Ibo, and as I walked in, so I felt like very like I was in Sri Lanka. So basically, me and Reanne are watching the same film.
The intern.
Yeah, we was trying to do it at the same time, but
I've been to the toilet twice.
yeah, so she's behind me. But
The food's coming.
orange.
So the omelette and the chicken sausage or the chicken rice or the vegetarians?
Chicken omelette.
Chicken morris, please.
One for you, ma'am.
Thank you, bye. Thank you, bye. We've arrived in Sri Lanka. Welcome to our Sri Lanka series. We're joking. We're only here for our connect flight, as you know. We've got about 3 hours here though. It's nice to be back.
Yeah, it feels weird to be back in Colombo, but this time we're only staying for 3 hours. It's not going to be another Sri Lanka series for now. Feels good to be back in Sri Lankan hospitality land.
But for now, we need to work out how to get through arrivals, through the transit connection, and you know what we're like.
Yeah, we always get this wrong.
So let's make sure and concentrate.
Right, so basically our flight has been delayed by over an hour. Reanne actually owns a Revolt credit card and she's trying to look if one of the benefits is that we get a free lounge access.
So the good thing about being delayed, we get free lounge access with our Revolt card. So we are in the lounge. We've got some Diet Coke going on. I've just got myself a green tea. And we've got food on the flight, and we just had food on our last flight, so we're not hungry, but I might just go and grab like a slice of cake or a sandwich or something. But it's very nice in there. It's quite basic and a bit outdated, but it's better than sitting in the terminal, I'll tell you that now. And the Wi-Fi is so much better than out there.
Been waiting a while for this line, and also got a 7-Up because obviously it's a long day and I've got to pace myself a little bit. Yeah, last time I was in Sri Lanka, absolutely fell in love with the line. Very glad to see it. But yeah, good lounge so far. Cheers. So this lounge we're in is called the Palm Strip Lounge. It's got free Wi-Fi, loads of seating, all drinks are included, tea, coffee, alcohol, spirits, and also there's a small sort of spread of food as well, which is all included. So it's a pretty good lounge and it's a good place to relax considering we're delayed.
As I was saying, I'm not really planning on eating in here because we've got food on the plane, but I saw marble cake and papaya. Like literally our favourite, and Sri Lanka always has the best papaya. And a cheeky little cheese sandwich.
Funny not eating.
I know. One of these bit of cakes after you, Ben. Do you want a bit of cakes for you?
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Literally, the best thing about this place, right, I'll show you. There's actually a shower, so if you're like a bit sweaty, jump in here, have a shower, have a beer, and then crack on with your flight. Oh yes.
Time to say goodbye to the lounge.
Oh no.
We've got to head to our gate with 30 minutes to spare, so let's hope it's not far.
Emotional goodbye.
And we ain't got to queue too much. But I'll just be glad once we're on this flight in the air. We've got 12 hours, so I'm just going to sleep, watch films, and chill out.
Yeah, but let's see what Sri Lanka Airways has got to offer for the 12-hour flight.
I'm looking forward to it. After the 3-hour flight, I think they're amazing.
I'm expecting good things.
Yeah, the hospitality, the staff are so friendly and helpful. Food was good. There was TVs.
And I think we got 2 meals as well.
Yeah, 12 hours we will.
12 hours, 2 meals.
Oh, let's see what we get. We'll film everything we eat and drink and show you. Hi. Thank you. Hello. Alright, we made it on to our last flight. We've got some beautiful music. We're hoping it's not full, but it looks like it's going to be full, isn't it? 37 GNF, it's us.
So we're 45 minutes into this journey. This is a 12-hour flight from takeoff to land. This is actually our longest non-stop journey we've done. First time on Sri Lankan Airlines, and pretty impressive to be honest. Got like movies, entertainment, very good service, very like hospitable. And as I'm speaking now, they're literally just coming down with our dinner and also some drinks. So I'm going to treat myself to a lion because I haven't had one in about 1 hour. Reanne actually's done a good thing with the seat selection because we've got no one behind us. I don't really feel fair if I lean my chair back and there's someone behind me. I feel like, being a big guy myself, I don't think you get enough room in these planes anyway, so I don't really want to lean my chair back. But with these seats with no one behind us, we can actually lean our chairs back freely.
Thank you. This looks good. I ran out of chicken, so I went for a veggie. Potato, roll, with your wheat dessert, and vodka and lemonade. Thank you, bye.
We have arrived at Heathrow Airport. It is absolutely freezing. The flight, yeah, very nice. Hospitality was brilliant. Food, a little bit disappointing to be honest. Drinks were good. Yeah, the entertainment wasn't the best, but the hospitality more than made up for it. We got a few hours sleep. A bit tired now, obviously jet lagged as you like. Sri Lankan Airlines, 7 out of 10 probably. Not bad.
Hi guys, welcome back.